Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So now we are going to deal with importing of computer code into our Latex document. And for that purpose I have these three documents, really simple pieces of code written in R, in Python and in C. And you could choose any programming language that you actually like. And also I have imported these three packages, Xcolor, Verbatim and tcolorbox. What they are for. With Xcolor we are going to color our text and our background. With Verbatim we are actually going to import this code. And why we are going to use Verbatim and not just a regular import? Because with input command we would have to rewrite this code in Latex style. So in this way we are not going to get all of these new lines in here. But we actually want to import this text way it is, and for that purpose we need this Verbatim and Verbatim input command. And you are going to see that Verbatim text, it's actually quite special thing in Latex. You cannot do all of things with it like with any other text. For example, you cannot put Verbatim input into color box or F box. For that purpose we need this T color box in order to put our Verbatim text into some really nice frame and background color. And how we are going to use this Verbatim input? Simple command like this, and then provide actual path to your document, save it, and let me show you what we have. You see, we have our R code. But now I want to do something else. I want to create new command. I want one argument. I'm going to call command, let's say, code, and definition is going to be, let's say, color is going to be white, and text from our Verbatim input. And now if I call this command with code, I'm going to provide Verbatim input as argument, and let's call this R code. And in order to create this T color box we have to call command begin like this, T color box and the color box. Now I'm going to put this code into it, and in order to set the color of your frame and your background with the color box, you are going to have to provide options. So call back is going to be for background color, and I'm going to say, let's say, blue 60%, and other option it's call frame also blue 90%. Save it. Let's see what we have. Yeah, something much better now. But yes, instead of angle brackets it should be squirrely brackets. Save it, and yes, this is much better. And in order to make this look much more professional we are going to provide some title, let's say large text, bold text, R code like this. Save it. Wonderful. And now let's do the same for all of three programming languages. I'm going to copy this. So now we are going to go with C. Background is going to be red, frame also red, code C. Once more, and let's put some space in here. 1 centimeter, and in here also 1 centimeter. Third is going to be Python code. Green. Also. And let's see what we have. Save it. Okay, what's wrong? Ah, yes, not red. Save it. Yeah. This looks totally professional. So guys, I truly hope that you like this content, so please subscribe and see ya!